In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct VAT mistakes in Xero. 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Xero in your browser. Click Login, enter your secure login details, and sign in. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, head to Reporting. This is the best place to spot where a VAT mistake might be affecting your numbers. Choose the report you want to use for your review. I'm using profit and loss for this example because it's quick to scan and makes unusual movements easy to see. At the top of the report, adjust the date range to cover the period where the error likely occurred. It's also helpful to turn on a comparison period so you can spot unexpected changes between months or quarters. When you're ready, click Update to refresh the report with your new settings. Now look through the report for any lines that don't look right, especially where VAT would influence the totals. When you spot a figure that suggests an incorrect tax treatment, click into the underlying transaction to drill down to the detail. Inside the transaction, open the Options menu and choose Edit Transaction. This is where you can correct the VAT coding. Find the tax rate field and change it to the correct VAT code for that item. If the transaction has multiple line items, make sure each relevant line uses the right tax rate. Accuracy here matters because Xero calculates VAT based on these codes. If your organization tracks notes for audit purposes, you can update the description to briefly explain the correction, which helps anyone reviewing later understand what changed and why. When you're confident the tax rate is correct, click Update to save the changes. Xero will recalculate the VAT on that transaction, and the correction will flow through to your reports. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. You'll need the appropriate user permissions to edit transactions. If the transaction sits in a period that's been locked or is included in a VAT return that's already been filed, Xero may restrict edits or handle the adjustment in the next return. If you're unsure, check your organization's lock dates or consult your advisor. Also note that changes to cash transactions can affect reconciled items, so make sure the edit reflects the actual intent and supporting documents. And that's the process. Log in, open reporting, use profit and loss to locate the issue, drill into the transaction, edit the tax rate, and update. Simple, clean, and accurate.